then we're going to do the sounds. I know you're really tired because there's lots of people coming. It's Friday. Okay, ready? Good. This is a hard one. I. So it's not E, it's I. It's one sound.
Not yet.
What's this one? So Andre, is this one No. No, what is it? It's E. It's a blend. Good, I can see everyone doing the actions. Well done. What's this one? X-ray. So is this one a blend?
Yes.
Why is it a blend? Oscar? It's not when we're reading, it's O. It's two letters together to make how many sounds? How many sounds does it make? One. It makes one sound. Good. Because when we're sounding out, we have to use our jolly phonics fingers. We have to count the sounds. Okay, ready? That's my favourite one. A. Another blend. Is this one A? Good. Lots of people get confused between A and R.
Even R.
What's this one? What letter is it? C?
No.
Is this one C, Danya? What is it? Snake. What? What are we doing? We are jiggling, Charlie. What's the sound? That's a vowel. Did you know that's a vowel?
Yeah.
Do you know the vowels? Don't you know what the vowels are? Who knows what the vowels are? Joanne, do you know?
A, E, I.
And there's two more. A, E, I,
O,
U. What are they called?
Vowels.
Well done.
And
What's this one? Yeah. What are we eating?
Yogurt.
What are we driving?
Van.
Whose van?
This
Van. That's a good job. What about this one? Tap. What are we watching? Tennis. I'm going to the football on Sunday. Carlton.
I'm going on the weekend.
You might see that. What's this one?